Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Jen, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this gorgeous purpley smoky eye look. And I decided to try something new lip-wise. Not sure how I feel about it, but I'm the type that I like to mix bold lips and bold eye colors together, so this is what we came up with. And if you want to see how I did it, just stay tuned. If you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. Alrighty, so to get started, I'm going to use a combination of praline and sneakers and run that through the crease a tiny bit. Alright, now we're going to take grape soda. On a small blending brush, we're going to take Throne. We're just kind of trying to pack the color on gently with the blending brush and then blend it a little bit as we go. Switching back to that fluffy brush with a tiny bit of that grape soda shade on it. Just blend those two together a little bit better. Now we're going to take a little bit of Fig. Alrighty, and then we're going to take some concealer and do a little halo eye. And we're going to blend that out with a concealer brush here. And our finger. And we're going to take the shade Heather. Alright, we're going to take a tiny bit of the black shade called Storm. And then blend that out. And then a tiny bit more of that Heather color on our finger. Alrighty, and then I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit with some foundation. And then taking that white shade Sneakers on a little pencil brush, we're going to kind of brighten those inner corners. Okay, I know it looks crazy, but we're gonna blend it. Don't worry. Small blending brush. Then a clean, bigger, fluffy brush. Alrighty, and then on a flat little shader brush, we're gonna take that grape soda color again. And then with that same brush, we're going to take that deeper purple Throne color and just on the outer corner. And then that clean, fluffy blender. And then the tiniest little bit of that black shade again. Just really tap it off. Fluffy blender. Alrighty, so already curled my lashes and I'm gonna go into mascara. I finally bought an oldie but a goodie, the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original in black or blackest black, whatever it is. Alrighty, so for lipstick, I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a combo of the Sexy Mother Pucker Soap and Glory lipstick. This is in Pommy Girl, which is a very bright pinkish color, very berry, like very berry. And then, I know, it doesn't match. So I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and kind of blend it in to make it more of a deep neutral. I like it. It's not ideal, it's not perfect. I literally own like 2 different lipsticks at the moment, so we're just trying stuff out. It's still a bit too red and berry, but I like it a lot better with the eyeshadow blended in. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the completed look. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Any recommendations or suggestions, I'll do my best to make those happen for you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you know when I upload next. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.